Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D and how you can generate unlimited 297 commissions, guys, through this affiliate program. Okay, and let me tell you the few ways you can actually promote this program, guys, and actually make money with it. Okay, the first way you can do this is organic traffic, guys, through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you are on, guys. If you can talk to people, guys, and post things, you can actually promote this program, guys. It's that simple, okay? And all you have to do is really just share your experience, guys, and what it's doing for you. And some of you are probably thinking, hey, I mean, if I'm not getting any sales, maybe it's going to be hard for me to promote. Well, that's actually definitely not true, guys. You can actually leverage the results of people in this 10x income system community, because there actually is a Facebook group where you can talk to real people who are actually making money with this system, guys. So if you're starting out and are worried about that, that's an option for you. And you don't have to talk about sales or money or anything like that, guys. You can simply talk about Tabby D in general, or just some of the people, like I mentioned before, who are in this Facebook group, guys, and what it's actually doing for them. That's another thing you can talk about. For me in this YouTube channel, guys, I'm just giving like an overview of my experience walking through it so far. I haven't even been in this program a week yet, guys. And I've been posting videos about it before I even got in, guys. And my YouTube channel is actually slowly growing, even though it's very, very small at the moment, guys. But that's something I'm building in the future. It's an asset that will help me promote this and whatever I'm doing in the future, guys. So I definitely think organic traffic's a good way to start out, guys. And let me tell you the other way you can promote this. The other way you can promote this is your paid traffic packages, guys. That's what you're seeing here, where you can get autopilot traffic daily, guys. That's through her traffic packages. Now, once you get in and pay the 297, you will have the option to buy her traffic packages, guys. And that does cost an additional amount. Now, these packages range from $60 to $200, okay? And you might be thinking, whoa, whoa, whoa. I just bought the 10x income system for 300, which may be a lot to some people who are watching this video, guys, then paying an additional amount on top. That may be kind of no, no, thank you. But let me explain what these packages can do for you. Because she is a paid traffic expert, guys, she's bringing high converting leads into your affiliate link, guys, so you can make sales just like that, left and right, guys. Now, I haven't bought one of these traffic packages as of yet because, for the sake of this channel, I wanted to, basically review all the ways you can promote this program, guys. And I'm starting out through organic traffic, guys, because not everyone has the money to buy these packages, guys, along with this program, okay? So I think definitely the organic way is the best way to go, guys. But I have seen people literally get results overnight using these paid traffic packages, guys, and using organic traffic as well. Even though organic traffic does take a little longer to build, but it's an asset that you will have forever, okay? So I think that's definitely very beneficial. And for any of you who are thinking this is a big amount, guys, just remember this program used to be $9.97 and there was a huge price cut as of recently. And check this out right here. 365-day money back guarantee. So if this is something you use for a little bit and decide just to promote organically, guys, you have literally nothing to lose. I don't think she will refund your traffic packages if you decide to go that route. But if you become a 10x income system member, guys, and just basically get instant access to that, there will be a 365-day money back guarantee. So there is nothing to lose, okay, guys, which is huge. All right, and that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know if there's anything else I can cover down below. There are links there as well, including my affiliate link. So if you decide to purchase this program, I will be getting a $297 commission just like that. And you see how easy that is, guys? So if you are promoting this program through YouTube, it's really that simple, guys. All right. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. And just to backtrack a little bit, guys. You can place your affiliate links pretty much anywhere you want, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, wherever you want, guys. It's that simple. Anywhere on the internet where there's social media, guys, you can promote this program. And that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing right now, I appreciate all the support I can get, guys. And like I mentioned, any questions or comments, put them down below. And I'm going to say this again. My affiliate links and to this program and to this page are below too, guys. All right, so stay tuned for future content where I'll be talking about and breaking down the 10x income system by Tabby D. That's a wrap. All right, guys, see you next time.